Hey guys.
What's poppin', Playboys?
Ooh, my butt.
You didn't say what's poppin', Playboy?
What's poppin', Playboys?
No. What's poppin', Playboys?
What's poppin', Playboys?
No. You gotta say, yeah.
Yeah.
It's Regine back again with another video.
This is your channel.
Go ahead. No, come on. We gotta do it together.
Ready?
We're gonna be like, yeah. Say it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. What's poppin', Playboys?
Oh, you gotta say that together?
Nah, I'm gonna say, what's poppin', Playboys?
I'm saying we're back. Or I'm back. He's back.
You suck. Anyways. Yeah, what's poppin', Playboys? Your boy Sean back again with a what?
Another video.
Another video. Today's a really unplanned video. We hear that song?
You must not know about me.
Today's a really unplanned video. It just happened like 5 minutes ago. I was supposed to film a video with my girlfriend, like doing something.
That's me.
And didn't really happen, so we're gonna do something else. We're gonna do something totally different. As this lady walks by. You're welcome. Yeah, so I just found some side skirts online. Well, on is it online? It's OfferUp. I found an OfferUp for a decent price. Oh gosh,
what are you going through here?
Why am I going through here?
Basically, he just found some side skirts online, and we were out to eat, and he was just like, babe, you want to go get side skirts with me? And I was just like, I'm down. You fed me. I'm fine. So here we are. It's gonna be like how many minutes away?
It's a 43-minute drive.
It's like 40 minutes, so mini road trip. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna listen to music, and we're gonna sing together.
What? Who? I don't know if she told you what we're doing, but yeah, I'm gonna pick up some side skirts. Got it for a good price, and they're already blue. Why did I say blue like that? They're already blue, so I just hope that they're clean and they have no scratches, so I can just put them on the car, and yeah, that'll be it. So let's get this little vlog started. You feel me? Yeah. So we made it, you feel me? Well, I feel like he's so close to my face.
I'm not.
I'm not gonna show you guys the shop because I don't know if he wants to like let me put that out. I'm never gonna bring the camera in, so yeah, we made it. Hey man, fuck it, show the shop, man.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna hit him up right now, tell him outside, and then we'll pick up the skirts. Skirt. Clean. That's hella clean. Everything here is clean. So here's the skirts for the knife gen. Shout out to them.
Perfect. Dino blue. And it's in. Ready to rumble. Woo! Woo!
So side skirts are in the car, you feel me? Got it for a sale. Got it painted.
It's a little bit, you know, but
it's not, it's just dirt. That's it. It's dirt. But it's pretty clean. Got it for 70 bucks. Painted and everything. These cost like 120 on eBay or some crap like that. So sheesh. And I have to get them paint. God damn, I just burped. And I have to get them paint match. So I just saved me about $200, right? Around like 150 was $200 to get a paint match. Oh snap! To get a paint match is like $100. So I saved me like a good 200. So I saved me a good like almost two something. So yeah. Shout out to, I can't say their name, but Pre-Minute. I have a card if you guys want to look at the card. If you guys want to get some work done, they do literally everything and are, you know, expanding. So if you guys need anything done, hit them up. Got some clean cars out here. Got a bag beside. I don't know if that's I was gonna say Mustang. Oh my gosh, I don't know if that Camaro's on bags, but it looks meaty as hell.
It says send news. You see it?
Where?
Or there, under the spoiler.
Oh yeah, I see it. Cool. And then they got a bag Genesis on the front. Doesn't look bag, but it's bag. And then you got that crazy TC right there. You guys can't really see it, but it's crazy. Whew. So if you guys need anything, hit them up. He's stationed in South Florida. I was about to edit this video and then I found out I didn't do an outro for this video, so I really couldn't end the video. So now I'm doing it now, since, you know, this is actually 2 days after I got the side skirts. Actually, 2 days? No, it's been 1 day since I got the side skirt. So I didn't really show you guys the side skirt when I got them. Well, I did show you guys when I got them, but I didn't really show you the condition they were and how clean they actually are. I mean, they have little scuffs in here and there because they was on another 9th gen. So yeah, of course, you know, has little scratches, but it's nothing serious that I have to get it repainted. It's like real minor scratches. So I'm gonna show you guys the side skirts now. I'm stop rambling on, and it's kind of cool how, yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the side skirt. All right, so here goes a skirt. Here goes one skirt. As you guys can see, it's pretty clean. I didn't really wash them yet, but they're pretty clean. There's really no huge scratches that I will have to get redone, like painted and stuff for. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow I can put them on, because I do go to work at 4 tomorrow. But well, regardless, you guys will see them on the car within this week. So yeah, man, I'm gonna end the video right here, man. I'm tired, came home from work, was about to edit the video, found out I didn't do an outro, so I did it now. So your boy ready to edit this video, feel me? So your boy's out. Please like, comment, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, because that's where I keep everybody updated on whatever I do to the car and whatever happens. So yeah, man, that's gonna be it for the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Your boy is out. Peace. Yeah.